Ology refers to a branch of knowledge. Psyche refers to the mind, stemming from the Greek word referring to spirit or breath. Eco refers to the interconnections between living organisms and their environment. Ecopsychology refers to the reciprocal interconnectedness between the human mind, or spirit, and the natural world in which and with which we coexist. Humans are members of the natural world, part of the natural order of things. Imbalance within the system impacts the other interconnected parts, just as harmonious interactions nurture mutually beneficial ways of being. Paramount on a practical level is bringing ecological awareness to the mind, to the spirit, to nurture a felt sense of human and other than human interrelationship. Pausing and sensorially connecting to the primacy of experience is key.